Let's write today's letters in the right order.
How?
1, 2, 3, uppercase B. 1, 2, lowercase b. Uppercase C.
E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for fish.
Lowercase c. Very good. 1, 2, uppercase T. 1, 2, lowercase t. Good job. 1, 2, 3, uppercase F. 1, 2, lowercase f. Great job, everyone! The cute baby bear Toto went to kindergarten. Toto loves toys. He sat on the classroom floor and excitedly played with cars, blocks, and crayons. Playing with blocks is so much fun! Block. B is for block. Classroom. C is for classroom. The teacher said, "Everyone, it's cleanup time." But Toto said, "No, I'll clean up later. I still want to play." Teacher. T is for teacher. Just then, a tiny sparkling fairy appeared out of nowhere. "Hi there, I'm the Tidy Up Fairy. If you don't clean up, the toys get sad." Toto opened his eyes wide and said, "The toys get sad?" The fairy nodded and said, "Yes, the blocks want to go back in their box and the crayons want to rest in their case." Toto smiled brightly and said, "Then I'll help." Toto and his friends put the blocks in the box and popped the crayons into their case, just like that. Friend. F is for friend. Crayon. C is for crayon. When they finished cleaning, the fairy smiled and said, "Wow, Toto, you're amazing." The toys said thank you and waved hello. Toto felt so happy and gave a big smile. From that day on, Toto always cleaned up after playing. And you can be great at tidying up too, right? Let's have fun learning letters by guessing the shadows.
How?
What do you think this shadow is? Can you guess what it is? It's a toy you can stack and build with. The answer is a block.
Wow!
Let's write the letter B.
Come along, sing with me. Let's learn the ABC. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning letters is so neat.
B. Block. B is for block. Block starts with the letter B. Good job! There's a round piece of clay on the desk. How can we turn this clay into the shape of the letter C?
Y is for yo-yo, round and round. Z is for zebra, racing the ground. A to Z.
I have a great idea.
How?
Let's cut it in half with a ruler.
Z-way, letters friends from A to Z.
Ta-da! Look at this! Wow! The half circle looks just like the letter C. If we turn the other half, it looks like a C too. Let's write the letter C.
Is for apple, A.
C. C is for crayon. Let's write C one more time. C. Classroom. C is for classroom. This is a friend. Friend starts with the letter F. F is for friend. This is a fairy. Fairy starts with the letter F. F is for fairy. This is a desk. Desk starts with the letter D. D is for desk. Good job! This is the letter T. And I brought some blocks with me. Shall we fill in the shape of the letter using blocks?
How?
Look closely at the shape of the letter T and place the blocks. Let's match the blocks to the shape of the letter.
Vowels are so fun to do. Say their sounds and sing along with this happy vowel song.
Ta-da! We made the letter T with blocks.
Wow!
Now let's try writing the letter T. T. Good job!